Everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. I'm here today just to announce the drop of a brand new pattern and video tutorial on my website, and it is an intermediate pattern. It is a beautiful Scottish Terrier, and he is a breed that I absolutely adore, would like to actually own in person one day. I have made many of them in the past, but I've always made them in mohair and very much life size. I wanted to make a little compact nuggety version, something with no pile that you could all make, and he has some beautiful accessories. Let's take a closer look. So this is my beautiful little Scottish Terrier. He doesn't have a name yet. He does need a name. He's just an absolute delight. He's a chunky little monkey, very, very solid little boy. Let's have a little spin around and have a good look at that little short little legs, and what about that beautiful little dog coat. So with this pattern, this is an intermediate level pattern, and it's very easy to put together. So we've got a neck joint and we've got a tail joint. The rest is all one piece in a body that we fit together like a beautiful jigsaw puzzle. It really does come together very easily with some careful sewing and of course your full video step-by-step tutorial. And I've created with this pattern a gorgeous little dog coat and also a little neck sporran to add. So just with some extra details with doing our little bit of tartan, if you're going to make him up in a Scottish style, with that beautiful tartan nose, we can bring in the same colours with the coat. This was actually a skirt that I have upcycled. It was just the perfect tartan. We don't have anything too tricky with the detailing. These pieces on the eyes to give him that little brow, they are all just sewn. So no needle felting in this one. Beautiful little ear set, tail set. I just think he's an absolute delight, and he could be made up. Scotties come in so many different colours, and you can also just make him up as an absolute fantasy little dog. I would love to see someone make him up in all beautiful girly colours and add some ribbons and bows to this coat. So I think he's absolutely delightful, very, very poseable, and just absolutely full of character. Thanks for coming and checking him out. I just have to have him on my knee because I never miss an opportunity to coordinate. I absolutely love coordinating with my creations. If you would like to create your own version of this little beauty, I will put the link to my Shopify store down below. Remember, he's an intermediate pattern, so he's really suitable for most skill sets. I'm looking forward to seeing what you will do with him, and somebody please make him up or her up as a beautiful girly version. I would love to see that, some pinks and purples. Very exciting. Tartan actually comes in some amazing colours, so I know you're going to do amazing things, everyone. Thank you so much for coming and checking my little guy out. I hope you've enjoyed seeing him, and I hope you will all continue to follow us on our Facebook page. I'll put that link down below as well. We want to see all of your beautiful creations there. So everybody, have a fantastic week. Keep on creating, and remember to pay all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.